Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing the unboxing of the Annie kit from Felicity Jane. I just got it this morning, so for the first time ever I am recording it on time. Now I just have to edit it on time and upload the video. But I am super excited for this kit. Actually, I'm always happy to receive. I consider this like happy mail to myself from myself. And I'm happy to share it because I am absolutely loving the way the Felicity Jane albums are turning out with the layouts. And I love that I found a purpose for my kids. And I want to show you what I get in the kit, and then in a second video you get to see the layouts that I've kind of put together with the items from that kit. So we're gonna start. Again, this is the Annie kit, but the first thing I have here handy is this beautiful confetti, and I think I'm gonna do it. Let me see if I could crack this open, and I'll just sprinkle some on my mat so that you guys could see how stinking pretty it is. If I can open it, let me see. I'm sure there's like a dummy proof way of doing it, but I guess I'll just be a dummy today. Okay, there, I got it open. Okay, and this is what that sequin looks like. A little bit of yellow, red, a little bit of, this is a light blue, and that pink is gorgeous. That pink and that yellow is such a good combination. But that is the first item. See if you guys see how pretty that is. Okay. And then let me close this one. I'll have to pick that one up in a little bit. We have, which I'm happy about, a 4x6 alphabet. And I love having these because I like having the different styles of alphabet sets. And so I'm excited to play with those, and I've told you this before. I am trying to get a little bit better about using the stamp sets that come within the kit. Last month I used the flower stamp sets to create the layout. I don't know if you guys saw the video or not, but those flowers came out beautiful, and I was super proud of myself because I finally used the stamp set in an actual layout, so I was proud of myself for that. Then with this kit you also get a little bit of tiny tags, so freaking adorable. Show you, they come with a little thread, or not thread, is this like what is this called, twine. Let me get them out so that it doesn't make too much noise. I know the crunching sound can be a bit annoying even if I try to delete most of it or edit it out, but these are just tiny tags. How cute would they be for like little embellishments? Such a cute little idea. But I did notice the ephemera has one cake, so let me pull it out. That's the only thing. Oh, maybe the banner could be considered a birthday, but honestly I don't think so. And this is Annie, and these are look how pretty that blue is on that tag. But these are the little ephemera pack. These guys, I was just thinking, because I was like looking at this lemon right here, and I'm like, man, I still need to take photos of my lemon trees I got this year. Okay, I'm just making sure that all of them are not on top of each other so that you could see them. So as you can see with everything I have here, the only two pieces that would make you believe that it's a birthday theme is these two. And other than that, you could use this for like an August summer kind of theme as well, or just a regular layout. So I'm excited with that. Then this kit also comes with a set of label stickers or label book in the different colors that match the collection. I don't need to pull those out because it's just labels, you guys. Then we also have some washi strips, and I've said this on other videos before, you guys, but one of the reasons why I have kept this subscription is because I love the fact that you get a little bit different every single month. And this is the first time I see this washi strips or washi tape strips. Is it washi tape? No, I think it's just washi strips. Basically, you tear them like that, and then you can put them underneath a little cluster or for decoration on your layout, which I think is adorable because I'm always saving the strips from the paper. So essentially you basically got those little strips. And then this kit, you also get a puffy alphabet sticker in almost like a soft salmon color. I don't want to say it's pink. It's more like on the orange side of salmon. It's super pretty. And I love their puffy stickers. Then I don't know if this was just a freebie that the company sent in honor of their birthday, but we got these 2 washi tapes, and you guys, I love the packaging so much that I want to use it. How pretty would it be? And it has a bunch of confetti inside. But look at the packaging. I mean, if you remove that, look at that. You could remove the colored confetti if it doesn't go with the theme. But I thought that I could definitely use this in like a December album. How cute would that be? Such pretty. But I was saying that I don't know if this was just like a free item that they provided in honor of their birthday. But you basically got 2 washi tapes. You got the polka dot white and black, and then you got the green hem color. Perfect. If it's like a red, which I think it is, it's like perfect for Christmas, which is just around the corner. And the paper pad that I'm using does have this pattern, so it came in handy. Let's see, what else do I have? Because I definitely made a disaster now, and I'm gonna have to clean it up. But the next items, let me go ahead and show you the journal cards. These are so pretty. Again, you have the lemon, because remember, it's kind of like summer still. Then you have this pretty yellow. This is the one I fell in love with when I saw the collection. That blue and those flowers. This is the month 8, so chapter 8, The Good Life. Look at that pretty blue. Just some black dots. Library card, a little pattern. And then this one. How cute is that as well? And the last items I have to show you are the entire 12 by 12 paper pack. Let me go ahead and open them. Okay, and here is the introduction or the branding strip for the pack. And pretty colors, pretty colors. And these are the strips that I'm telling you. So I guess it kind of comes in handy because, like I told you, I'm always saving these strips once I cut it 12 by 12. And so I think they were like, hey, you guys are always saving the strips, so let's give you some washi tape. Not washi tape, washi strips. But the first paper you have here, oh gosh, it's like a disaster waiting to happen, is these florals on this side, and then some spots, black spots on the back. Then you have that Windham pattern in the beautiful blue color, and then just some black hearts on the back. This one is really gorgeous too. This is just some stripes And then you have a grid color on the back, black and white. Then you have the lemon pattern and just some black and white stripes. So even if you feel like this collection or this paper kit is a bit on the bright side, I think it is bright compared to the kits that I've been getting. They give you enough black and white pattern where you can tone it down and keep it subtle. So I like that. And this is just some candy stripes and then some confetti in the back. This one is some spots, yellow background, and then some daisies in the back, which I think it's pretty. This is honestly what caught my eye for this kit. And then these are just the solid colors. You have the red, yellow, blue, and a darker shade of blue. And that's it for the month of August, you guys, for the Felicity Jane unboxing. Again, I love to share these with you guys because one, it's an easy video that I can upload. I mean, who am I kidding? Let's just be honest. But I also do like to do them because I do want to say, hey, this is what I got and this is what the layout, what I use for the layouts. And you guys been seeing that I've been able, and actually, truth be told, if I really wanted to, I could actually push to maybe even 3 layouts out of each kit. So you definitely get enough to create 2 layouts, but you will have plenty left over. You could, and I honestly need to be better because I feel like I've been creating these 2 layouts and then the leftover I just like store and keep, and I should push it to the max to see how many layouts I can get out of it. So I don't know, it's something that I will play with, see what I come up with, see if I could be that creative to follow sketch challenges or inspirations, or sometimes, you know, making them out of my own, like my own creation. So we'll see. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.